Hi guys, welcome back to the Naio Nails channel. It's Meg today with this cute little three-tone textured nail, and the first colour that we're using today is one of our faux fur colours in Pixie Dust, and it's so cute. It's giving medium baby pink base colour, and then it's got some darker little fibres in it, and that just gives you that really cute faux fur effect. We've had loads of people in the salon recently picking this. I do have it in a couple of other shades, or is it just the sort of lilac-y shade I've got as well? Not sure, I'll have to get it out and have a look, but yeah, it's been super popular. If you haven't already got one of these or you've not tried one before, don't be scared to. They look absolutely fantastic, especially winter, sort of springtime. It's definitely something a little bit different to offer your clients, and yeah, just, you know, why not push the boat out? Get some nails with some fur in it, because let's be honest, all our clients end up with fibres on their nails anyway, don't they, while we're doing them? It's my pet hate. They'll start putting their fingers all over their jumper and all of that, and then there's bits and bobs in it. I'm like, do you know what, girl? Let's just go for a gel that's already got it in it. Save us the hassle. So anyway, once you've popped that on one half of the nail, you're then going to cure it, and we're going to take our matte top coat here and just go over the whole nail to seal that in. Then I've gone with a complete contrasting colour here, Spill It, which is a really neon bright pink shade. This is quite new to me. I didn't get it that long ago and I'm in love. It's very, very cute colour. And I think that the contrast looks really nice between the light and the dark, but also with Pixie Dust having a few of the darker hints to it as well. I think they complemented each other really well. Okay guys, you're just going to sit for a minute and just watch me faff and overdo things, because that's exactly what Meg does. So I'm just trying to perfect the line, and I made a few mistakes and then I perfected it again, and then I will cure it and go back in with a second coat, but I'll just leave you with that for a moment and I'll be back in a second. Okay, so I'm doing the other nail now. Obviously I've done the opposite sides here just to show you how they look against each other, because if you were to do this on a set, they would look really cool. Maybe the middle finger and the ring finger, and then the rest could be either Spill It all over or Pixie Dust, anything like that would look really cute. A nice pink set for your client, if that's the kind of shades that they're into and they're a bit more adventurous and don't mind trying out gel polish with fibres in. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now, and then what we're going to do is seal it with a matte top coat in a second. Okay, once you're happy and you've done your 2 layers, go in with your matte top coat and go all over the nails so that it's sealed and secure. You know that nothing is going to affect that polish underneath. I'm going to do this with both and cure for 60 seconds. And then I'm going to be taking my top coat. I am just using one of my older brushes because I had mixed some colour in with my top coat previously to this with a different design. So if you wonder why my brush looks not like the normal top coat, but it looks like a base coat brush, it's because it's just one brush that I use as my backup spare brush, I suppose you could say. I just said brush loads of times, but if you get my drift, it's like my backup one. So all you want to do here for that raindrop effect is just literally use that brush and just pop some blobs on, any size, any shape. If you're not comfortable using the main brush, you can obviously use a dotting tool, something like that. So obviously if you do want to learn how to do the water drop effect, because it has become quite popular recently, you just always want to make sure that your colour's really nice and pigmented underneath. You've then gone in with a really good matte top coat, made sure that's all cured, and then literally just use a top coat to go over the top with it. You can put it on reasonably heavy, don't do it too much because it will bobble in the middle, but that's it. They look really cute, and hopefully you've taken something away from this, especially if you're a beginner. I feel like this is a really cute design. You could even add like a gold or silver strip down the middle to break up the two, but yeah, thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.